Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove WordPress from cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that perfectly explained how to delete a WordPress site, a safe and easy guide to starting a new website. So how to uninstall WordPress by hosting servers. Log in to your cPanel and open the auto installer. In the installed applications, click the three dots next to your WordPress URL and press delete, as you can see guys right here in the picture. Once the confirmation screen appears, click on delete. How to uninstall WordPress manually. To uninstall WordPress the manual way, it's possible to do so via the file manager or an FTP client, although we're using the first tool in the following example. The process is similar should you OPT for the later. Navigate to File Manager in your cPanel and access the public HTML directory to manually delete WordPress. Before we proceed with the removal, though, save the website database name from the wp-config.php file for later. Afterward, tick the box and select all and press the delete icon, as you can see guys right here in the picture. Erasing the WordPress database. Although the software is no longer there, the database still remains, so let's remove it as well to uninstall WordPress truthfully. Navigate the MySQL database section, then locate the name you've noted before and select the three dots next to it. Finish by selecting Delete. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.